In this video, I'm going to show you how NotebookLM behaves when you don't have a source added and how to get things up and running. I'll start by clicking the Create New button in the top right corner to open a fresh project. A window pops up asking me to add sources, but I'm going to close this for a moment to explore the empty dashboard. As I hover over the different tools in the Studio panel, like the Audio Overview, Slide Deck, and Mind Map, you'll notice that they are currently inactive. The tool tips specifically mention that these features generate content based on your sources, and since I haven't added any yet, clicking them won't trigger any action. To understand why, I'll head over to a quick search which explains that NotebookLM is a grounded AI tool. It's designed to act as a thinking partner that answers questions specifically based on the documents you provide rather than just using general web knowledge. Back in my notebook, I'll go ahead and click Upload Files to bring in a document. I'm selecting a PDF overview of the platform and hitting Open. Once the source is uploaded, the notebook title updates automatically and you can see my document listed on the left. Now that the AI has the context it needs, I'll move down to the chat bar and type in a quick message to show that the interface is now functional. Finally, if I head back over to the Studio panel on the right, clicking on Audio Overview or the Slide Deck now opens up the customization menus. Adding that single source has unlocked the full potential of the notebook. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.